This is the fourth installment of the 6408 series and 6416 phone system tutorial for the IP office. In this module, we'll be talking about how to forward a call, mute a call, and use your Do Not Disturb feature. First off, let's talk about forwarding. To do forwarding, all you really need to do is press the menu button, the next button, and call forward. Type in the number where you would like your calls forwarded to. In this case, let's do an extension to 204. 204. And then press done. Now when a call comes into 203, which we will simulate, notice that the call comes into the forwarded to extension, and we can see in the screen that John Adams is calling Kim Williams, but it's ringing at Bill's phone. And then you'd pick up and say hello. Oh, yes, I realize Kim is not available and she forwarded her calls to me. And hang up when you're done. Notice that when your calls are forwarded, a D appears in the screen. The D denotes diverted. D is for diverted. It's a British term. To turn it off, to turn off your forwarding or your diversion, press menu, next, just like before, and you notice call forwarding has a little triangle above it, or a caret. That means that your call forwarding is currently turned on. That ties in with the D feature on the phone up on top here. So all we need to do to turn it off is to press the button underneath call forwarding, and now the triangle goes away. When we press exit to get out of our menuing system, the D has now extinguished and gone away. Please note, to call an outside line from your phone, in other words, if you were out and you want it forwarded to your cell phone or another business location, you do the same thing except put in a 9 first, or an 8 or a 7, whatever you typically use to dial an outside call. You would mirror that. Menu, next, call forward. Let's clear what's in there. 9141455511212. Done. Now when a call comes into Kim, it'll go to an outside phone, and we'll hear that phone ringing just as a affirmation that it's working. Let's call 203. We can hear it ringing a different phone, which is our outside caller phone, so we know it's calling outside of the building. Privacy features. Let's say you were on a conference call and you did not want other people to hear what you were saying. So we'll simulate just a regular call for now. We'll call 204. 204 picks up. If you did not want Bill to hear what you were talking about, press the mute key. Now your microphone is muted, he cannot hear you, or if you had been on your headset, pressing the mute key would silence the microphone on the handset. Do not disturb. If you do not wish to pick up your phone and you're in a meeting or you just don't want to be bothered this day, press your Do Not Disturb light. The N will appear on the screen, which means Do Not Disturb. It's for the N in not, and your green light will be on for Do Not Disturb. If someone tries to call you now, they'll go directly to your voicemail after a couple of rings.
Hi, this is Kim. Can't come to the phone. Leave me a message.
To turn off your Do Not Disturb, press the button again.